question number 6. The question number 6 here, write this number into standard form. So which is one decimal place, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 8.2 into 10 power 7. So we are moving 7th place here. So 8.2 into 10 power 7. Next, in the ordinary number, so the decimal has to move 6 places left. So one place is 5, so remaining 5 zeros we should add here. So 0.1234 then 5 8. Next, in the standard form we'll write, because the decimal is here, the 2 place has to go here. 1.60 times 10 power 302. So we should add 2 here, so we can write 1.6 times 10 power 302. The next question, question number 7. The mean of 7 numbers is 60. The mean of 3 numbers is 46. The mean of 4 numbers. So 7 numbers. So total is going to be 60 times 7, which is 420. So next 3 numbers, which is 46 times 3 equal to 138. So take away both the numbers. So we'll get the sum of the other 4 numbers. So 420 minus 138 is going to be 282. This number just divided by 4. So remaining 4 numbers will get a mean, which is 70.5. So the answer is 70.5. Next question 8. In a sale, normal price are reduced by 15%. The sale price of the dishwasher is 612. Work out the normal price of the dishwasher. So the normal price we don't know, times is reduced is 15%, which is 85%, because 100 minus 15 is going to be 85%, which is 0.85 equal to 612. So normal price equal to 612 divided by 0.85. So the answer is going to be 720. Okay, the next question. Solve the inequality 3x minus 22 greater than 8x minus 20. So 3x minus 22 greater 8x minus 40. So here I'll bring this x here, 40 here. 40 minus 22 greater 8x minus 3x. So 40 minus 22 is going to be 18. 18 greater than 5x. So I'll swap 18, so x less than 18 over 5. Yeah, the final answer is x less than 18 over 5 is the answer. The next one, the region R shown the shaded diagram, the bounded by 3 straight lines. Okay, so first line is here, which is the horizontal time will take y equal to 1, the vertical is x equal to 2, this line is going to be x equal to 2, this line is going to be y equal to 1. Okay, so the slanting one is given, which is x plus y equal to 6. So we'll check the inequality. So I'll pick one coordinate from inside the region. So I'll pick this, that is 3, 2. So just I plug in here, y just plug in here, so y equal to 2. So left side is greater, so we have to write y greater than or equal to 1, the first one. Next, the plug in x equal to 3, so again left side is going to be greater, so x is greater than or equal to 2. Next, this coordinate just plug in here, 3 plus 2 is 5, so right side is going to be greater, so x plus y less than or equal to 6. This is the answer.